People, the Most High God, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial using Primark products. Well, I love shopping at Primark, and I usually use the eyebrow pencil, lipstick, and eyelashes sometimes. Stay tuned to see how I achieved this look using Primark makeup products. So first of all, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. This is how I have been doing my eyebrows for years, but I recently started this new technique of applying your foundation first and your concealer and everything, and then after your eyebrows. But well, it kind of worked though for me. But I'm just sticking to my old technique, which is to do my eyebrows first. So now, after filling my eyebrows, I'm gonna use concealer. I chose two concealers, a lighter one and a darker one, and you will see why I chose these two colors. Which one? So the lighter one I use under my eyebrows. So by the way, I bought these products during the pandemic. Oh, this is where I realized that the concealer was a bit light, but it's okay. Well, as I was saying, I bought these makeup products during the pandemic, so I wasn't able to test them out on my skin in order to choose the right color for me. But anyways, I just guessed and it turned out okay. Well, except for the concealer. So after applying the concealer, make sure you blend very well. My sis, blend very well. As you can see, I'm using the darker shade of the concealer above my eyebrows, and I use the concealer to define my eyebrows. So this is a primer. When I was in Primark, it took me a while to actually find this primer because I wasn't expecting to find a primer like this. Even as you can see from my facial expression, you can see that I was kind of not confused. But yeah, you get what I mean. So now I'm going to use an orange called Fired Up eyeshadow. So let's see how it turns out. Not enough pigment. This is what I go through as a dark skinned girl. You can hardly see our eyeshadows. Lord, maybe I should get a better one. This is Primark. But anyways, you can see that these makeup products are really affordable. So if you can't afford the higher brands at the moment, you can go to Primark. So it's time to apply the foundation. And it's actually giving me full coverage, which is really good. As you can see, your girl has eye bags. Oh my god. I need to sleep more. Yeah, the smell wasn't really that great, but yeah. Yeah, I do like the foundation though. It has full coverage and yeah, I can't really see my eye bags anymore. Well, not really. Now it's time to apply the concealer on my T-zone. Yes, I should have used the lighter one. There we go, much better. So I decided to use a blending sponge instead of the brush. And now it's blend, blend, blend. I did not get a powder. I did not get a blush. So this is all I have for now. Just going to add highlighter and that's it. And eyelashes, of course. And this is where I realized that I did not get an eyeliner. I thought I got an eyeliner, but it is mascara. So this is the highlighter that I got. I usually get like the gold highlighter, but I wanted to try something different. And this is the first time using Primark highlighter anyways. So here's me applying my mascara. Yes, you can't see my eyelashes, but they're there. They're really there. They're there. They're really there, promise you. So I chose the Milan eyelashes. This is me doing the Probisky dance. What do you think of the eyelashes? So I'm just using a dark brown lip pencil for my lips. And now using this red lipstick that I've had for a while now. So this is the end of my tutorial. If you have a setting spray, you can use that, but I did not get that. I'm just gonna take off my bonnet and then show you the final look. So this is me using Primark products for my full face. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready for me? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.